Are you learning English but don't know when to use I am going, she is eating, or they are working? Don't worry. In this video, you'll master the present continuous tense and use it like a native speaker in your daily conversations. Now let's understand what is the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or around this moment. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or around this moment. It follows this easy structure: subject plus is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. Let's break it down with some examples. I am studying. She is cooking. They are playing football. In each sentence, the action is happening right now. That's why we use the present continuous. So, when do we actually use the present continuous tense? Let's look at the four most common situations. Number one, actions happening right now. First, we use it to describe actions happening right now. For example, I am watching this video. You are listening carefully. Say it with me. I am watching. You are listening. Number two, temporary situations. Second, use it for actions that are temporary, happening just for a short time. For example, he is staying with his cousin this week. I am reading a really good book these days. These things are happening now, but not forever. Number three, changing situations or trends. We use it to show changes or trends, things that are gradually happening. For example, the climate is getting hotter. More people are learning English online. These actions are not instant, they are in progress and changing over time. Number four, near future plans. And finally, the present continuous is often used for future plans, especially when the time is already decided. For example, I am meeting my friends tonight. They are leaving tomorrow. Here, we are talking about the future, but we are using present continuous because the plan is certain. Look at the time words tonight, tomorrow. They help us know it's a future plan. So, to recap, use present continuous for actions happening now, temporary situations, changing trends, and near future plans. If you remember these four uses, you'll never be confused again. Let's now see how the present continuous tense is used in real daily conversations. Here are four common scenes you'll recognize from your own life. Number one, morning routine at home. What are you doing?
I am brushing my teeth. What about you?
I am making coffee. All actions are happening right now. So we use I am brushing, I am making, present continuous. Scene 2, office chat. Why is John not here?
He is working from home today.
Oh, I see. I'm just checking my emails. Notice how we use present continuous to describe actions happening today, even if they are not at this exact second. Scene 3, on a call. Hi, are you free to talk?
Not right now. I am driving.
Okay, talk to you later. Even though They are talking on the phone. One person is in the middle of action. I am driving. So we use present continuous. Scene 4. What's happening over there?
Some kids are playing cricket.
And look, the man is flying a drone. Here we use present continuous to describe everything that's going on right now. Cricket, flying, playing, all live actions. As you can see, the present continuous tense is everywhere. In your home, at the office, on a call, or in the park. Anytime something is happening now or around now, use it. Like this: I am watching, you are learning, we are improving. Now it's your turn. Let's practice the present continuous tense together. I'll show you an action. You say the sentence out loud before I give the answer. Ready? Look at this picture. He dash. He is eating. They dash. They are studying. She dash on the phone. She is talking on the phone. They dash soccer. They are playing soccer. He dash on his computer. He is working on his computer. She dash. She is dancing. Awesome job. Practicing like this helps you think in English and build confidence. Let's keep going. Coming up, the most common mistakes you need to avoid. Let's now look at some common mistakes English learners make when using the present continuous tense. Don't worry, we'll fix them together. Mistake 1: misusing the helping verb. He working hard. The correct sentence is he is working hard. You always need a helping verb, is, am, or are. Mistake 2: wrong verb form. I am watch TV now. Here, the verb is not in the ing form. The correct sentence is I am watching TV now. Always add ing to the main verb in present continuous. Mistake 3: wrong helping verb. They is playing. The subject and the helping verb don't match. The correct sentence is they are playing. Use are with plural subjects like they. If you remember these small grammar rules, you'll avoid big mistakes in conversation. Coming up next, it's time for a quick quiz. Let's test your present continuous skills. You'll see a sentence with a blank. Say the correct form loud before I give the answer. First one, she dash cook right now. She is cooking right now. Next, we dash not listen to music. We are not listening to music. Last one, dash you dash work today. Are you working today? Great job if you get them right. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. Great job. You have just learned how to use the present continuous tense in real daily conversations. You practiced, you corrected mistakes, and even you passed a quiz. You are doing amazing. Now it's time to keep practicing. Try speaking with your friends or write your own present continuous sentences in the comments below. Like this video if it helped you. Comment, I am learning present continuous. I'd love to read what you write. And don't forget to subscribe for more real life English learning videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.